Let me show you how demand forecast is used in the MRP planning jobs to create demand in the future. So in Business Central, I have added some forecast. I'll just go into that to show you how it looks. It's called a production forecast here, and I can view it per whatever period I prefer here. And as you can see, I have some forecasts in September, October, November, etc. And it's just quantities that I've entered here in the forecast. Actually, if I drill down to this forecast entry, I can see it's just an entry in here with a forecast date, in this case 1st of October, and a forecast quantity. If I'm changing the forecast, for instance, till 105 like this, and I'll drill down now, I can see it just created a new entry on the same date. So it sums up in the planning and say this is 105 on the 1st of October. So that's the input for the MRP planning. And the forecast period will be per default from this forecast entry till the next one. So if I have defined an entry in November, the period in October will be until October 31. Therefore, my December forecast has no ending period. And maybe if I also made other forecast entries just like this to mess it up a little, I can see my 105 here, and I'm making on this period here another 23. So I can see now that's the 14th of October. This also means I have changed the forecast period from 1st of October till 13th of October. Let's see how it works in the MRP planning. This is an example of sales orders written below. I have some dates, item numbers, pieces, like you can see here, 108, 182, 36, 130, etc. And I've entered forecast of 125 pieces each first day of the month. So this is my gross input to my demand planning. Now what the MRP planning does is actually this. It looks into each period, saying there's a forecast period from 1st of April till 30th of April. In that period, there are sales orders of a total of 130, meaning more than the forecast. Therefore, the forecast entry below here will be deleted or not taken into account. The entry is still there, it's just not used in the planning. Whereas in the next month, we have sales orders of 80 pieces, 33 pieces, meaning 112. Therefore, the remaining forecast is 12 pieces. So all these requirements here in the bottom is what the MRP planning batch job will use as input for the planning. So the forecast is only making sure that we at least have the demand on the forecast quantity.